everyone, Koneko here and welcome to Kittynyanyao's channel. For today's unboxing, the figure we have here is Megumi Kato from the anime Saekano series, a Coreful figure uniform version by Taito. Feel free to subscribe to see more unboxing videos. And hit that like button and bell button for you to be updated for a new video upload. Hope you'll enjoy the video! So far, from all the Coreful figures that I have unboxed, these figures don't come with manuals. Figure consists of 3 parts. Lower part consists of her red cardigan, her uniform skirt, socks, school shoes, and pegs for the stand. Upper part displaying her in her upper uniform, her lovely gradient colored hair, a simple smiling face, and her white cap. As for the stand, it is in clear black color with white circle designs. And it also has her name and the title of the anime in it. Also comes with 2 holes for the pegs. This figure is cute in its simplicity. Good for Megumi Kato or Saekano fans. Thank you for watching!